Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I cannot believe it's the end of January 2024. It has flown. And next is going to be Valentine's Day. We're going to come into spring with St. Patrick's Day and Easter. They're right there together. Easter's early this year. So I have been sewing a lot. I'm doing a challenge today put out by Gigi Ma Mel, and I'm trying to think, living it Gigi Ma style. Sorry, Mel. I'm doing her mini-me challenge today. I don't really have a mini-me, although her hair has blonde hair lights, where mine is getting more and more silver. We're calling it silver highlights. She's a lot like I was. She's my kind of me. Mel asked for us to tell our goals for the year or our resolutions, and I guess mine would be, I've got 3 doll shows that I'm really looking forward to. One is BlytheCon. Darren and I are working on getting some stuff together for the goodie bag for the BlytheCon. We're also working on items to get together for the goodie bag for Pull-Up. It's a big undertaking. We're also going to the, what is it called? The fashion show in Cincinnati, fashion doll show in Cincinnati, Ohio in April. I'm looking very forward to that. And so those are kind of my goals, to get to the doll shows, to get to meet people. But boy, time is ticking and I need to stay on top of it. Thank you, Mel, for hosting this. Thank you for everyone who joined in. If you joined in today, would you let me know in the comments so that I can see your mini-me and video too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.